So you're thinking about selling your home here in Massachusetts and you have a private septic system? Well, did you know that you can't actually sell your home unless you have your system inspected and you receive a passing Title V certificate from a local licensed professional? You're in luck. We're going to be talking with Derek Grant at Grant Septic. He's going to tell us all about his amazing company, what they do differently, and he's going to walk us through an actual Title V inspection. Let's go find him.
Hey Alan, what's going on? How are you?
Well, good. All right, so we are here on site at a local homeowner's property. You're actually going through a Title V inspection, but before we get into the meat of that, I would love to know about Grant's Septic, about the company. Tell us what you're all about.
We've been a family-owned and operated septic company since 1961, where we help homeowners prevent their septic systems from failing up to about 80 years. And we've essentially tried everything, from pumping out septic tanks every 6 months to jetting out drain fields. And about 2017, we came across a solution. We found a septic system that was 81 years old and functioning perfect. And the reason for that was microbial aerobic treatment, which we call the everlasting septic system, which will help homeowners ensure their septic system stays healthy while also reducing their pumping spend.
I'd love to know, and I'm sure everyone would love to know exactly what goes on in a Title V inspection here. So can you walk us through?
Yeah, definitely. So Title V inspection is pretty basic. We're inspecting the septic system to make sure it's still taking water, that it's functioning, so new homeowner that moves in doesn't have any issues. So the first step with any Title V is you want to check out the tank. Make sure the waste levels are at the proper height. If it needs to be pumped, we'll pump it out. Want to make sure it's also watertight and there's no issues coming from the home. So if the tank looks good, the next step and most important step is where we go to the drain field. And the drain field starts at the distribution box. So here we're looking to make sure the water levels are at the bottom of the pipes, all the water is flowing out into the field, and then I'll run a camera out to make sure that the field is still absorbing the water. And then the last step is just to make sure there's no groundwater. So we look at plans in the area, and if all that looks good, then the septic system will pass and the homeowner will get a 17-page report, which then they can give to their real estate agent, put up online, and they'll be able to sell their home.
So how can people connect with you? How can they schedule one of these services here?
Yeah, definitely. So you go on our website, you can either call us, our phone number is located there. You can also book an appointment online or text or email us. All forms of communication work great with us.
Perfect. Well, there you have it. Grant Septic. Derek, thanks so much for coming out. Amazing stuff in the septic industry, cutting edge. No one else is doing it like these guys. So definitely connect with them if you need a Title V, if you're looking to sell, or if you just want to maintain your septic. It is the biggest ticket item in your property. So definitely reach out to Grant Septic. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, Al.